Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how to take Tibetan Rite number 1 to a whole new level. So Tibetan Rite number 1 is the first Tibetan Rite where we're spinning. But as you can see, as I'm spinning, I'm keeping my eyes or my head fixed on you. And we're spinning from left to right, but I am keeping my eyes and head fixed on you. And that's really a good practice if you don't want to be dizzy. But what if you almost do want to be dizzy? So I was rereading Revelation, and I was looking at the details of Tibetan Rite number 1, and they talk, the author, Peter Keller, is talking about the story, and the colonel is talking about how the Tibetan monks would spin around till they were just before they were dizzy. They were almost dizzy, not quite dizzy, and so by fixing the head on an object in front while you're spinning, that's a way to prevent dizziness. And if the purpose of the Tibetan rites is to help you retain your youth and to turn back the clock, and also to just speed up your energy vortexes or chakras, it depends on who you're talking to. In the book, he calls them vortexes. But if you're trying to speed up your vortexes and you are actually wanting to be dizzy, then this, keeping my head fixed, is a way to not really take the brakes off and let those vortexes giddy up, if you know what I mean. So one thing you can do is to relax your eyes. Matter of fact, I had a viewer write in a couple weeks ago about keeping soft eyes when you're doing something, and I just really like soft eyes. That sounds like such a great description. But if you relax your eyes and don't fix them on a point, but you just spin in such a way that you just see everything around you spinning around as if you're in a cyclone or a tornado, and the whole room is just, your eyes are fixed on nothing, and the room is just spinning. Now this takes time and practice to build up to this, so please, you can go slow, you don't have to go fast, but all I see is everything, really, and my eyes and head aren't fixed on anything. And now I'm just before getting dizzy. Like if you could see my eyes right now, you'd see him like, where are his eyes going? But it feels so neat. Like it's a neat feeling. And in the book, he says that that's the point, to get just before dizzy. So again, if I'm fixing my eyes and head as I rotate, I'm actually trying to prevent that. I'm not letting go. So I guess what I'm saying is if you relax your eyes, you can let go and really spin for Tibetan Rite number 1. And really see if you can be like Superman flying backwards and turning back the hand of time. So again, you want to turn left to right if you're above the equator, right to left if you're below the equator. It's a Superman thing. But give it a shot. Like if you have been playing with Tibetan Rite number 1, try the soft eyes approach and just let the world spin by you. Again, take it slow, you don't have to go fast. But I think you'll really enjoy your Tibetan Rite practice a little bit more. There's something to it. All right, guys, give that a shot if you're brave enough to do the Linda Carter on steroids. All right, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time. To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net for more information.